Okay, this is just a real quick couple of slides to finish up some of the techniques you can use to capture wildlife. These are called pitfall traps. They're used for small mammals. It's pretty simple. You dig a hole in the ground, you keep the substrate nice and even with the top of it, and animals come around and they fall in the hole. And it's like a cup or something. This is kind of what it looks like from a profile picture. You can cover them to keep them from filling up with water so that the animal doesn't drown when they fall in the pitfall trap. This one is a similar idea, only this kind of funnels the animal in. So if they walk and they hit this barrier, the idea is that they try and go around the barrier and they fall in the trap. So those are small mammal trapping techniques. This is called a Sherman trap. Same idea as the cage trap. It's just on a very small scale. So they fold up like you can see here in the picture. You can put them in a backpack. With these, you usually are setting what we call an array, quite a few of them at once. You're going to put some like nesting material in there, cotton ball, something, some kind of bait like peanut butter or seeds. You'll have one end of these, of the box folded up. The animal walks in the other end, they step on this pan, and bam, the door closes, and you have yourself a little small mammal. So that's just a few sampling techniques that you can use to capture wildlife, and you would need to capture them before you could put telemetry equipment on them, take some of those blood samples, tissue samples, or put ear tags in them. So whatever your purpose is for getting your hands on wildlife, these are some of the techniques that you could use to capture them.